This is how to build a boat out of Lego. You need to start like this, with a bit like this. Then you need to look in your Lego box if you have one, and then you can get any colour of this, but I'll use red. Get a big long one like this, and then get this one, stick it at the very top like that. Okay? And then you get different colour bit, like brown, any colour again, and then stick it at the other side. Exactly the same like you done with the other colour. Might be a wee bit tricky, but okay, so that's how it should look. And then you get another colour, but this time it's going to be flat. So you can get a green square, and then stick that in the middle. Okay, so that's going to be the flag. Okay, and then you get any type of red bit, but I'll choose this, and then try and do that down to the green. Then just before it gets to the green, just try and leave a wee space here, like here. Okay, then do it next to the other colour. Yeah. Since I don't have any more of those, I'll start using the small red ones. So remember, just keep going down. I just need another. Got a bit, and then put it down. See, left the space. Now try and do it with the other colour. And then I'll need brown. I don't have that much brown, so actually you don't need to use that colour. Use a different colour. I have white, so you can use white to do the same what you done with the other colour, like this. Then it'll do that. It'll do that. So then like that, see? And then I need to get more white bits, and then do the same. So do that, and then do that. Doesn't look like a boat just now, does it? Then you can it should look like this. Doesn't look like a boat, but it will turn into a boat. Then you need to get one of these things, don't know what they're called, and then stick that on the outside above the two different colours like that. See? Should look like that now. Then get a different colour and I'll go for white. So white. Then turn it around, stick it like that. Doesn't matter what colour they are, as long as you have them. Then do that. Then get the wee colours like black, and then stick them at either side like this. Like that. So then it should look like that now. Kinda looks like a face, doesn't it? Right? That's how it should look. Then get the same colour you used, or a different colour if you don't have it. And then I'll have more black, so I'm going to use white. I know I've used quite an awful lot of white in this video, but you could use, oh, this one has something stuck in it. I better get a new one. got one. Alright, so stick it on like this. Like that. Then you will need 2 squares of one colour. I'm going to use orange, and then you need to put this one square like that, and then the other square like that. Okay? And then you need 2 different colour squares. Like this colour and this colour. Red. And then do the same on the other side. Put one there. And put one there. It's going to turn out to be a boat soon. That's what it should look like just now. And then I'll need a colour for the inside. Then try and make like a wee slope thing. So you can have it like that or down. Oops. You can have it up or down. But we're going to take that green thing out just now. So you can have this thing like that. Or if you want, you can have it as a plank. But I'm going to use something else for a plank. So I'm going to put it inside like this. Then we'll need another one of these, but a different colour if I don't have any. So I'll be right back. Then I can get like this white bit. Then I can stick it in the other side. And stick it in the other side like that. See? Yellow and white. And then you need the green bit again. And then stick it in the middle so they don't fall. Like that. That's how it should look. And then it should look like this now. That's the inside. And then you need to do the sides on the back. So get one colour, get a square, put it in the middle of that one. Then you need to get 2 of these long bits, and then put it at either side like this of the bottom or whatever bit. Then should look like that, a racing car. But we're not building a racing car, we're building a boat. You can use that, and then get the other one, and then stick that one like that. Mine has a sign on it, so I need to cover up that. And then stick it like that. Okay, this is it just now. And then you need to do the same on the other side. But you can use a different colour if you want. That's what I'm doing. Using a different colour. So I'm going to use red. So you can get the red square, stick it in the middle again, then the red bit, do that, and then should get another bit. I don't have a bit, I must have lost it. So better get another one. Then get your other one, and then stick that over the top like that. See? Oops. All breaking apart. Then there you go. It's going to be a boat soon. And then you need a wee bit like this to go from that side to that side. On the top bit. Like that. Because this bit's going to be the front. This bit's going to be the front. That bit's the back. Okay, and then you can get a wee chain bit or whatever, and then stick it there. That's the back of the sheet. Okay? And then we need an engine. Well, no boats don't really have engines, but we need to stick one there, like that, and one there. Ah, wrong way I think. There, like that. Make sure it sticks on. Good. And then you need to get a wee bit wait a minute. Need something. Then get just a wee window like this, and then stick that there so we can see like that. So it should look like this, and then that. Just, and then get a person, then make them sitting down in the boat, and then that's how you make a boat. Cheese.